What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by running out of their downspouts. So let's get right into it. All right, what we got going on here. First and foremost, please make sure everyone always call in for a mark out. It's free. It saves you and makes sure you don't break nothing and cause more issues. Now, what we're going to be doing here is taking the downspouts. We're going to be rerouting this downspout, coming through, coming underneath, coming to about there, 45 across to about somewhere in here, and then we're going to go straight. We're going to tie in this downspout, going straight, see this downspout into it, and then come somewhere right around out here, so that way the water can just build up, go down to the side, water all these giant freaking arborvitaes, and not be next to the foundation anymore. So let's get started. There we go. Everything is completely dug out now. Got to make sure I got the correct grade when I start putting the pipe in. I got the cable line there, even though it says it's supposed to be over 1.5 feet to the right. Found it again over there. Everything comes down. Did break one out of like 12 sprinkler lines, but I was able to repair it. Everything's gonna go down. We got more lines under there. Got a whole junction box of lines there. We're gonna go between it all. All this is gonna go. We're starting over here at this downspout. We're gonna go down, go around, come on through 45, connect up, take it all the way down at the end. Now, time to just pipe it all. Make sure I got the correct grade so that everything can come down here, build up, overflow, water the rest of this and the arborvitaes, but it will no longer be in the backyard next to the house, messing up the foundation. So let's get piping. All right, now I have everything completely piped up. Start over here in the back, down hoe to level, everything going underneath. We got it 45 in to continue on, down hoe to level here. Everything goes. Shoots down over here. Start over here. We are down hoe to level here as well. Then we have the downspout back here. Since we had to go under all the lines and everything, just had to make it level from there. And it all goes. Keep going down the line, down hoe to level. Then we had to do some configuring over here. But as everything goes down, it's shooting all the way downhill. So everything's just gonna go, come into here. After everything connects, still way down hoe to level. All the way down. And then we also end as much as I could for another down hoe to level. And all the water's gonna come down here. Build up the mini dry well with the holes drilled down there. Remember, you're gonna burrito wrap this all over so that way it lasts as long as possible. Then you backfill, the water builds up as it's trying to drain to the ground. It's also coming up top. When it overflows, it'll be able to overflow and then spill out here onto the grass, the arborvitaes, everything down here, so that way it keeps everything away from the foundation. Now, time to backfill it all and show you how it works. And here we go. This is how you test the system, plus how you clean it out at least once a year. Put the hose and the clean out furthest away. All the water's going down. It's going in. It's going around. It's going to bypass all this. It's going to come all this way. Down towards the end. Might take a little minute before it gets over here. We just got hose pressure right now. Oh, there it is right there. So less than 30 seconds to get all the way down here. And you see anything in the system, it's gonna push it all down here. You just stick your hand in and pull anything out. Right now it's trying to fill up the mini dry well. As it's filling up the mini dry well, it's trying to drain into the ground at the same time as it's building up. So after it keeps going and building up, once that mini dry well maxes out, you can see it swirling because it's still filling up. But after it maxes out, then it'll end up having the ability to build up, and come on all the way out. So now just wait for the buildup. And here we go. Once we have finally enough, this will be popping up like this in an actual rain event. But right now we only have hose pressure, so it only goes so much. But then the water's just gonna come out, build up, come over, and then flood out here and over here to these arborvitaes. It's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your crawl space, basement, or garage, or even yard by running out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.